friends, it's Eric here with Super Clean. I just wanted to show you guys the Super Clean method for cleaning screens. So check this out. We always take your screens outside to clean your screens. Never do we clean your screens inside the house because we think that is disgusting to have all that dirt and grime aspirated up into the air. So we always take your screens outside. And what we're doing right now as a value add for, I think you know what reason, we are pre-soaking the screens with a disinfectant. So these have already been sprayed, and the dwell time for the disinfectant has already had its time to do its thing. In that tank there we have the disinfectant, but I just wanted to show you how we do this. I'll show you again even though these have already been sprayed. So we spray these down, let that disinfectant dwell on there, and then we rinse them over here with our screen cleaner. So check that thing out. The screens get brushed through those bristles and rinsed with that rinse bar there. So let me demonstrate that for you. Check out that beautifully clean screen. So I just wanted to show you a couple things we're doing for you, bring value to our services, and always going above and beyond how we do things. I hope you have a fantastic day. Enjoy this beautiful weather.